In this video, you will learn how the flow builder actually works and how you can build a conversation-like experience inside of this platform. It's really easy to do. Every new flow starts with a starting block that you can connect towards the first block of your own preferences. If you hover over the circle next to the continue to the next step, you'll be able to click and hold the left mouse button and drag it out to any part of the empty canvas. If you release the left mouse button, you'll be able to select a new step. You can select send message, a question, an action, a condition, a split, a send email, and a go-to block. If you go with the send message button, you will be able to add any kind of item available to you inside of the channel. Do note that certain channels will have more or less features than the one that you are seeing here. If you want to include some personalization, you are also able to do so by going towards the variable list and choose any kind of system field or custom user field or bot field to your own liking. You can also search for certain fields. So for example, if we want to customize by first name, you will see that the system field will become available. If you want to add emojis, you're going towards that same variable list. You'll be able to go to the emoji tab and search for any emoji that you like to, or just scroll through any of the available emojis. All the emojis that you currently used, you will be able to quickly access those by the clock icon to the left of it. If you want to insert variables and not go to the variables list first, you also have a shortcut. Just by typing 2 curly brackets, you'll be able to fastly search for any kind of custom field, system field, or bot field that you currently have. If you want to connect a new element towards the conversation, you will go to the continue to the next step and then connect your next block. This way you will be able to start a conversation, create a conversation-like experience inside of your chatbot platform. In the next videos, we will go a little bit deeper inside of each and every element inside this flow builder.